Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in again. I hope you subscribed already. Click the like. I hope that you like the show. So in today's video we are finally driving it. Not really driving it, we're just reversing it out the garage and pulling it back. So in today's show we're finally driving the car, and stay tuned, watch that happen. Oh, and guys, sorry for all the swearing. If you don't like foul language, rather find a different channel to view. I'm not sure whether it's legal or not. I haven't been monetized or anything yet, but we swear. Let's go, guys.
Alright, so now we got some panels in and we got the pedals in. Whoops. Yeah, and then we're just going to screw and bolt those all in. Just work the accelerator there now. Let's see. So that's working. Do it again. Do it again. There we go, and the carbs are working. Sweet. Okay. Every day a little bit more. Every day a little bit more. Okay guys, cool. Yeah, I'm just rubbing it down again, getting it ready for the next spray. Just painted the door panels so that they're waterproof. They can go on. We need to make another hole here, Gerald. In here. Remember, because the door winder was wrong. So, you know, stick that all in. And then I must get the seat. All looking cool. Alrighty. Right. Sweet. So now, we've got to get the flipping electrics in here so we can at least start the car from inside when we take it for a drive. Here's Mark the Spark. Say hello to the camera, Mark.
Good day.
Hello. I hope he doesn't fuck it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he's getting a bit confused with the positive earth situation. Anyway, so we're going to wire this now. And then we just need the bloody seat. The seat's too small. And then we're going to try and attempt to reverse it out of the garage on its own steam. All going well, we'll have to just move these fucking cars out of the way. Oops. Anyway, let's see what happens. I've got a starter button here. And the ignition key. Let's see what cooks. Cool.
Yep.
We need the seat now. The other seat. The other seat. Now. Right. Contact. You ready?
Yep.
Ready? Okay, there's our switch. Right. So I got one of the clocks to work after all this time. That's fucking unbelievable. Yeah, 1 out of 3, that's not too bad. So check how it's going tick, 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 tick. That's hilarious. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll just find out whether it's holding the time. That's another question. Anyway, bit of fun. Okay, you on? Start. Got even the rev counter to work. Now I'm doing 2,500 revs, bro. All right, you got it. Okay, send that to him. Right, so tackling the assembly of the dashboard now. Trying to get as many instruments working as possible. Yesterday we had the rev counter serviced. I serviced the rev counter and the clock works. But now, of course, we're going to reassemble it. We're going to try and use as many parts to make the best instruments. The speedo we've tested, but I've got to strip it and clean it. And take bits and pieces out of wherever we need and build up complete instrument panel. There's the metal part where everything goes in. There's the dash. So we're going to have a bit of fun fitting things up today and making it look decent. And then the question is wiring it all up. That's another story. Anyway, at least the speedo, rev counter and temperature and oil pressure gauge is all mechanical, so that's fairly easy. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, so starting to assemble here, transferring all the bits and pieces, millions of screws in here. Yeah. Next is to check petrol gauges and the other gauges and get it all together. It's gonna look sweet, like a lemon. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Lots of fiddly work. Opening all the instruments, making sure they work, so that we get correct readings. There's it. Okay, so we've got over a glass of wine. We're cleaning up the original chassis plates with just some lemon juice to see what's going to happen and see what comes up. It'll be very interesting to see because there's a lot of information. Maybe we should put some salt on here. Hang on, where's the salt? Boys, let's put some salt on here. Look at all this old patina coming off. Are you getting this, Steve? Because these have got to go onto the body and to the...
There's nothing written on.
There is. It's very faint, but let's have a look, because this is like uncovering... it's uncovering... How cool is this lemon juice, eh? Let's see what it says on here. Let's see.
Don't shoot the letters.
Yeah, now the question is, we've got to find out whether this was riveted on or screwed on, and we've got to find the real old screws, otherwise the police clearance is not going to let us through with the stuff. Look how this is shining up. Beautiful.
You have some words?
Yeah. Okay. There's stuff on here. Jaguar. What's it saying?
I think you have to make a photo and
No, be videoing this, boys. We're videoing this. This is very, very important. The type of lubricants used. This is a lubricant chart. Recommended lubricants. Let's wash it off. Hang on. That's so cool. Yeah, really clean this while I clean the other one. And see what it says. See what it says. This is coming up.
Oh, now we're talking about.
Okay, show the camera.
Wow.
Show the camera. Here's the fucking chassis number. Now we can trace this shit back.
Can you see something on the phone?
We can trace this shit back and see when it was made. Here's the chassis number, the engine number. That is so cool. Lemon juice. And it's still got the SS plates. SS Coventry Jaguar 3.5 litre. Here we go. How cool is this? How fucking cool is this? Okay, Hannah, you got to edit the swear words out of this. Okay, wait, let me wash this.
This is just the recommended lubrications.
Clean this, let's see.
You go for head with this one. I clean this one.
Let's see.
Hold this one.
Steve, can you get that on? It's very faint. Auto Lube 30. You see, they all had SAE 30 oil because you didn't have modern oils. I saw that in my XJ6. You put any other stuff in except SAE 30, it chews more oil. You're going to fill up at the petrol station and say, check the oil, fill up the oil and check the petrol.
So now the other one is coming.
Tolerance was so cool. What does it say on there?
There's much more information.
Can you get it on, Steve?
Can you see?
Yeah.
What's it say?
SS Cars Limited,
There you
Coventry.
go. Coventry.
Jaguar.
Chassis number. Does it say year model?
There's chassis number, engine number, body number.
Everything's on there. How cool is that, man? How cool is that? That is serious footage for the